I'm going to use it as an air compressor in one of my future upcoming projects. So guys, this is the petrol engine. You see, it still looks nice. So yeah, let's open it further. And guys, finally now I can see the generator. You can see the copper windings. Now guys, I was waiting for something interesting and I found it. This you see is a high voltage coil, two-sided. One pole north and the other pole south. Now if there is pole changing, then it will produce high voltage that is going to feed the spark plug and thus burning the coil and running the engine. So this coil, high voltage coil pole changing technique is obtained with the help of permanent magnets, super powerful. You see the poles. I believe this is the main pole, you see. Yeah, great, really nice. Not sure about the other pole. Yeah, this has really low magnetism, so I don't think that it has any polarity. I don't know what kind of system it uses to excite this magnetic pole. Anyways, Yeah, let's get forward to opening the rest of it. And guys, you wanted to watch the treasure? Well, here it is. So guys, finally this part is out, and all that is left is the petrol engine and the generator itself. The generator fan. So guys, you cannot believe what I'm watching here. It's just the best treasure I've ever seen. And guys, here what you are seeing is this rotor. The 2-pole rotor with super high current winding. You see, good bearings. This is one pole, okay, and this is another pole. Looks so nice here. High quality bearings with a groove for placing this long screw through it. And finally, this armature winding that is responsible for generating high amount of current. Although guys, the slip rings and brushes are not visible on this side, then possibly they are on the other side of the rotor. And yes, there is one bad part for this generator, despite of the treasure, is that the petrol engine is in direct contact with the generator, meaning they are sharing the same metallic body. You see, even if I separate this, still the engine part is attached to the generator inside. Okay, so it is going to create some difficulty, but still I will have to do it. And guys, now comes the treasure part 1. The high voltage, very high voltage flyback transformer. 2 poles, the separate poles type, north and south. Let's keep it aside. Wow, I've never seen the inside part of this. Looks really nice. Seems like a piston. Let's move the shaft and see what happens. Oh, it's coming back and forth. Ah, yeah, that's cool. And it's very smooth. Oh, pretty good. You see? Actually, I'm doing this. It is coming back and forth. Nice. And guys, when I'm placing my hand like this and turning the shaft like this, it's sucking my hand in. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, now. Ah. You see? It went inside and created a circle. One could make a pretty good air compressor or air pump with it. Pretty big area for suction. And I also have a Pulsar 150cc engine that might also contain something similar. So this seems interesting, so I'm also going to open up that. And now I have to open up this screws. Now it was very tight and I had to use one more person to help me out in opening this. I've loosened it up so that I can open it easily in front of the camera. So let's open it. You see, it's opening pretty good because I've already loosened it up. Yeah. This is the large metal and one magnetic piece. North, and I believe this entire is the south. I don't know how they maintain that because this is the only magnetic piece here. You see? And the rest, it's not magnetic. I mean it is, but it is distributed south or distributed north pole. While this side is concentrated. Okay, anyways, let's take this out also. And you see those hidden bolts? Yeah, I also have to open them. You see this part. It's a two-stroke engine. Wow, something similar to a flywheel, evenly distributed and with a magnet. Pretty good, huh? The final motor shaft. It is pretty tight to move. Yeah. And now the three bolts are open. And guys, now I believe that there is going to be a lot of engine oil, although I drained all of it, almost all of it, but still there always some left inside. So let's see how much it is. Yeah, it is still very tight. Let's open it. Wow. Now comes the treasure, the real treasure. Fully metallic, beautiful gears. Although it is going to be really difficult to run them. Yeah, I will show you though with the inside view. You see guys, beautiful gears, heavy duty and in perfect condition. Very nice. Oh well, I'm just loving it. Wow. And there is still a lot of engine oil, as I said. I will have to drain all of it. Okay. And guys, not just that, there is also a beautiful, amazing, high quality and without any problem, a perfect running bearing that it could be used in many of my future projects. Yeah, it's running really smooth. Wow, pretty good guys, very nice. Yeah, see, It's very good looking, pretty smooth running, and in every way a very good engine. So there is no point in destroying it. I'm going to use it as an air compressor in one of my future upcoming projects. Opening it is only going to destroy it because the generator and the two-stroke engine both are connected to each other with a same body. The only way to separate them is to cut off this aluminum body, which is not at all useful, at least for me and for my upcoming projects. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please hit like and don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you.